What's up, guys? Patreon request from Alex, WWE Triple H. He's a big WWE fan. So, let's go. Triple H with a sledgehammer. So tricky enough, like, because his head, we're looking up at his face, and the sledge is like in front. So, okay. So his eye. So we're looking up at his eye, right? So it goes sort of up, down the back here. And then like his tear ducts is kind of in here. Like so. And he's like looking at the sledgehammer like here. So we'll do his iris like here. It's the color part of his eye, just kind of looking up that way. And then pupil maybe in there. He seems to have like some wrinkles, bags under his eyes, maybe an eyelid line there, something there. Right, and then, so forehead, sort of frowning eyebrow. Going down that way, right? His hair sort of covers some of this, but we can see nearly the full eyebrow underneath his long hair. Like he does have like long wavy hair that covers some of this. And then I think that's his brow there then. We're kind of looking up at everything, so his nose, so we're like looking up his nose, so it like flicks out here, I think. Right, so that's like tip of his nose, and then there's a nostril here. That's like dark shadow in here. And then his nostril on this side, kind of big flared up nostril there. And dark shadow in there as well. And then skin of his nose on this side. Curves around like that, and like tip of his nose going that way. Difficult to draw. I don't think I've ever drawn a nose from this position. So there you go. First for everything, no matter how much you draw. It's like that. I've never done that before. Okay, so his other eye now. So his other eye is like beside the tip of his nose. We'll go for, I'll do his eyebrow sort of first here. And like his hair cuts everything off here, right? So we've got like a wavy hairline just going down that way. His other eye is real blurry. So I'm gonna have to make this up now. If I was an eye, where would I be? Like that. It's like more down than the other side. It goes underneath his hair there. And then we get another sort of eyelid line on top. So, the bottom. It's unusual eye position, kind of here, I think. And then another circular iris just first there, I think. And then the pupil. I'm trying to look up at that sledgehammer. So that's tricky. Because it's like the curve of his face is like going across here. So that's not easy to draw now. Right, so his mouth, very downturned, you know, middle line of his mouth. We can like mostly see his bottom lip. Right, and that becomes beard at some point. But then his top lip is kind of hairy because of the beard. And then all this facial hair sort of comes down underneath the nose, down for his mustache. This goes behind the sledgehammer. Then we can see like a little bit of his bottom lip. Like so. All right, and then I'll continue the beard sort of. So he's got the hair coming around his chin. This typical sort of beard shape. And then comes down that way. And then like his chin comes out from, so it's a full beard. Goes up his, that's either hair, is that hair? Maybe it's hair. I'd say that's beard in there. And then the bottom of his beard is here, but it goes behind his hand, so you can only see like half of it really. So that's all beardy. Right, so this is all like wavy hairlines, right? Goes up to the sledgehammer, and then we get like his hair coming across here, and then like some of his fringe. It's all that wet wrestler style hair. Where do all wrestlers have this? Does it help with the wrestling? So just this long. Long hair just goes down like behind his chest, I think. Down there, that's like his neck. So then the top of his head is like up here somewhere, just wavy sort of hair. I guess this should be wavy kind of in here for a certain amount of it anyway. But it's in behind the sledge, so it's kind of hidden. He's got a big shoulder here then. Do do do. Okay, so I guess the sledge, right? So it's just this 5-sided sort of shape here, or 6-sided even. And this goes this way. And then comes down there. It's got like an inside part. And then this comes along the bottom. And you could have like an extra sort of line that goes along there. Right, and then the handle. Comes down this way. And I'll just like fill in the gaps for the hair then, wherever I think there should be either like beard or wavy sort of hair. Just in there. Do do do. Right, and he's got like a gloved, well, it's a bandaged hand, right? So you can only kind of see knuckles. So top of it comes across, and then we come down for like each bumpy knuckle of his hand. Like that. And then the back of his hand goes this way. And like across the thumb, so the thumb comes up. Big just thumb knuckle, round thumb knuckle there. And then his wrist comes down this way. Now this all has like black and white tape all over it, so it's like ripped and torn a little bit for the black part, and then there's like a white tape underneath. It's like a boxer's tape that they do. It's not ripped there. Some wood and markings on the so then our handle for our sledge will just follow that line. And then some tape coming that way. My pen is nearly wasted. I'm just going to get a fresh one. Sorry. Okay, so his forearm, very strong forearm. There's actually like a vein here. Right, and then he has like an elbow pad. And it kind of comes onto his bicep, but again, everything's like the perspective of the camera, you know, is like real big. So that's just black. So like his shoulder looks massive. So you got like some chest muscle there, and then his shoulder is huge. Like I think like his bicep even is like in here. So that's like his shoulder, bicep. I'll put a vein. A vein always helps like people recognize the shoulder, or the bicep should I say. Just darken up some of these now, hairlines. So Real big, and then like his tricep is even sticking out here as well. He's absolutely monstrously big. And then his chest muscle here, underneath, going down that way. You got like a nipple there. Can't see any abs really, but like there has to be. And his back is just like that. And then his other shoulder sticks out. Like way bigger than you'd think. Just goes the whole way down there. Okay, Triple H with the sledgehammer. Hope it was helpful, Alex. Thanks for the support on Patreon, my brother. Sorry for the delay, but you know, there's a bit of prep for these and all. It takes a bit of time to edit and everything. And yeah, we get there though. What's next? Aussie? Did you request Aussie? Or was that Undertaker? Well, Aussie or Undertaker anyway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.